I will watch Toy Story when I get back. I actually want to go watch.
Oh, it looks amazing in the dark.
Oh, he's cool.
Buzz Lightyear just went past. Oh, we're oblivious. Too busy watching the Slinky Dog Dash. Oh, look at the line for Buzz Lightyear. It's well small. Oh, I want Buzz. High five, Jessie. No, she's not.
That's funny.
So, high five, no.
You guys, no. Wow. Oh, Toy Story. No, what's his name? Woody. There we go. What's the girl's name? Is her name Annabelle?
Bo Peep.
Bo Peep. I've never seen Bo Peep before, so.
She was in every Toy Story since Toy Story.
Oh, it's
So it's 9:22 and there's a half-hour line for Slinky Dog Dash. Everybody's dashed up here to get on it, and we're just going to wait and go on it in the dark. It's really hard to get a fast pass here, and the standby line is always huge. So we get them. All the theming that you don't get in the fast pass line. Squeaky penguin bath toy. That's got to be Wheezy, hasn't it? Yeah. That Wheezy's box.
Wheezy, I love Wheezy. I don't like it when he coughs though. He sounds like he's dying.
It sounds like he's got looping cough. Yeah, look, like a squeaky penguin.
All the way down there.
Elmer's glue all. Ages 18 months and up. Oh, Andy's showing Slinky Dog over there. With his Crayola. You can hear him now. It's a pull toy. 25 minutes and we're at the front. Bye! Hollywood Studios is now closing and the fireworks are going off to let everyone know that it's the end of the night. Got some more here. Hi! Hold on! Bye! The cast members are on the back of this one. All the cast members are on the back. Oh, good night, guys.
Bye, good night.
There's nobody here. I just Buzz Lightyear's still here.
Probably the only time you'll ever walk through, you know.
I like that, right? So
We're the inconsiderate people that keep them all working till about 11 o'clock.
Yeah, but like, that's a good tip, that is, you know, for that ride. Fast passes are such a pig to get hold of. Do it. Fantastic. And like about 5 minutes before 10 o'clock. So we got on, we went in at 2 minutes past 10 and we was on it within 15 minutes.
Let me tell you, I'm afraid of heights.
To be honest, I'm only going to say this, but Slinky Dog's amazing. Slinky Dog's better than
It's so nice when you're the last people in.
Ready for a single
Everybody's gone home to bed. Oh Lord, yeah, they told you dying Hey guys, Dave here. Thanks ever so much for watching today's video. If you like what you saw, then please feel free to head on over to my channel, Disney D Vlogs. You can also hit that subscribe button, hitting the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest in Disney news and other tidbits, and you'll be sure to catch us on our next adventure. Thanks guys.